These balsamic caramelized onions are divine. They are so easy to make and enhance so many dishes. My favorite way to have them is on top of a corn fritter. Combine them with your other favorite ingredients and it feels like a real treat. Remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to be notified of all future videos. You can find this written recipe, along with many other healthy recipes, on our website. You'll need onions, balsamic vinegar, jaggery or maple syrup, water, and salt and pepper to taste. Start by thinly slicing your onions. Separate the onion pieces and set aside. Place your pan on medium-high heat. Once hot, add your balsamic vinegar. You want your balsamic vinegar to reduce by about half. And you'll notice that the consistency becomes a lot thicker. You'll notice that a strong fragrance is released while you're cooking down your balsamic vinegar. And the fragrance may even make your eyes water a little. But as it continues to cook, it becomes almost sweet. Add your onions and coat them well in the reduced balsamic vinegar. Add your salt. The salt helps draw the moisture out of the onions and seasons the dish as well. Reduce the temperature of your stove, pop your lid on, and cook for about 10 minutes. At this point, you'll need to add pepper to taste, your water, and your jaggery or your maple syrup. Pop your lid on and cook for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you'll notice your onions are lovely and soft. The next and final stage is to concentrate the flavour and to reduce the liquid. To do this, you'll need to remove the lid and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. Let the mix cool and then feel free to use it in sandwiches, wraps, burgers, or my personal favourite, corn fritters. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.